for section 11.2. So fill in the blanks again. Number 1. Pull or push of an object. What is it called? Yes, indeed, it's called a force. F-O-R-C-E. And then a force can change the what of an object, such as causing it to move faster or slower， 就係可以改變一個物件嘅乜嘢呢？例如令到佢喐動得快啲或者慢啲，咁應該係 change the speed. The size of pulling force can be measured by 我哋一個拉力嘅大細可以用咩去量度呢？應該係 spring balance。咁個單位 unit of force is 佢都俾埋個 N 字嚟啦，咁應該就係 Newton 啦。好，第四，乜嘢 can measure both pulling and pushing forces？ 拉力推力可以用咩去量度喎？OK， 嗰個力係用咩量度啊？嗰個叫做 force sensor， 一個探測器，力嘅探測器或者偵測器啦。OK，a force is represented by a straight arrow， 用箭嘴去表示力嘅。Direction 即係方向，即係個箭嘴嘅方向就代表本身嗰個物件。sorry， 個箭嘴嘅方向就代表個力嘅方向啦，冇難度啦。然之後嗰個箭嘴嘅長度就代表咗嗰個力嘅，呢個有啲分別啦，就係力嘅 size。個力越大，咁個箭嘴長度就越長㗎啦噃。好，5條 true or false。A force is needed to cause an object to move from rest， 即係本身係唔喐嘅0 meter per second， 要令到佢喐係咪要俾啲 force？ 一定要係嘅。A force can change the direction of motion of a moving body， 令到一個喐緊嘅嘢物件去改變方向，係咪要俾 force？ 梗係啦，咁點改變方向啊？A force can change the shape or size of an object， 可唔可以改變佢力？可唔可以改變一個物件嘅形狀或者個大細呢？係可以嘅，例如泥土啦，咁就改變到個形狀啦。咁 size 就要好大嘅 force， 有時候通常都係，例如可以改變一啲壓縮咗嘅被壓縮嘅嘢，其實真係用 force 去導致嘅，可以，咁呢個都係 true 啦。咁另外就係 when a force is thrown， 或者呢個上面嗰個練水樽空嘅水樽都得嘅，係嘛？When a force is drawn, longer arrow represents smaller force。越長嘅箭嘴就代表越細嘅 force 啦，咁就擺明錯啦。呢個位應該係 larger force 啦，咁所以呢個係 F 啦。A force have both size and direction， 一個力有 size 同埋方向，啱嘅。OK，next， 好啦，上面嗰啲 skip 咗佢啦，自己睇啦。咁 question 啦 ，draw。嗱，呢度注意啊，佢淨係叫你 draw 個 kicking force 同埋 hanging force， 其他 force 冇叫你畫，例如第三級力嗰啲唔使你畫啦。好，咁應該咧就要用直線啦、間尺啦，同埋要箭嘴嘅，咁都要注意。Kicking force 咧就應該隻腳俾力個波，咁就應該係向前踢啦。咁大概咁大力度啦嚇。OK。另外啦 ，hanging force 吊住個公仔嗰個力，咁向上定向下？地心吸力向下，所以相反咧嗰個 hanging force 應該向上先啱啦。OK。Next，a force can change an object's 乜嘢？咁頭先講完啦 ，speed 可以啊。Oops，sorry， 點樣筆先？可以啊。Direction of motion 可唔可以改變方向啊？移動方向可以啊。Shape 可以啊。Mass 可唔可以入？唔得啦， 你個質量係唔會因為你個 force 而改變嘅個質量嚇，所以答案係 C 啦。OK，a falling ball is speeding up。一個falling ball 即係跌緊咁，喺我哋認知入邊第三級力就所以應該係向下跌啦嚇。如果我哋正常咁企喺度，咁向下跌緊嘅時候，咁呢個波咁邊個可以代表住令到個波增加速度嘅力呢？邊樣嘢邊個箭嘴係代表嗰個力增加咗，所以增加個速度呢？咁講明向下啦，咁所以應該係 A 啦。OK，A 啦 ，A 啊，唔係叫做圈啊，叫你寫啊嚇。你望清楚呢度啦，唔該。好 ，write down the reading of spring balance。咁應該咧放大啲睇咧，應該就幫大家寫晒啦。咁690，咁呢度應該係6.5嘅 Newton。大家 N 6.5 Newton。Okay, draw arrows again. Draw an arrow and also state the effect of the force 喎。咁 hitting the baseball 究竟個力應該係點呢？呢度又要用直線間尺啦。咁打棒球啊，應該咁啦。佢個力係應該個棒球打落個波度，即係個棒球個棒打落個波度嘛。hitting force。咁另外就係個 force 去 catch 個 baseball 啦。嗱，注意咯，個 baseball 衝緊埋嚟呢邊啦。catch 即係令到個即係揸實個波嘅話，就應該令到個波停啦。咁所以其實調翻轉呢個 force 應該係由隻手向依邊嘅。OK， 就應該依個方向嘅力啦，去擋住咗個波繼續向右邊走啦，因為而家接波嘛。好 ，effect 應該就係 change 打個波時候 change 個 direction 啦，因為個波本身係向緊依邊，跟住佢一嘢就打向嗰邊，咁所以轉咗 direction 啦。咁呢個咧就唔係改變 direction，因為佢已經冇再喐啦，俾你接住咗啦。咁所以係改變個 speed， 由一個有速度嘅波變成一個俾你揸實咗唔喐嘅波啦。OK，that's it for here。